Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all well. Today we're going to be making chocolate ice cream. It's very rich, it's very chocolatey, and it's better than store-bought, 100%. All the ingredients will be in the link in the description as usual. So first of all, I'm starting off by melting my chocolate. Set that aside, and then you're going to add in a double cream / whipping cream if you're American, and you're going to pour that into your bowl. Make sure it's cold. Add in the sugar. And whip till soft peaks, not whipped cream peaks but soft peaks. This is also the time where you can add the vanilla, but I forgot to add it. Remember, vanilla is always optional. Add in the cocoa powder. This is gonna make the ice cream a lot more rich. Whip it for about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you're gonna scrape your bowl down and you're gonna pour in your cooled melted chocolate. Give it a very good mix. After properly mixing, pour it in a container, freeze it overnight or 6 to 8 hours at the maximum. This is the ice cream out of the freezer. Guys, I'm telling you, this ice cream is so good, it's so rich, and it's better than store-bought 100%. I really hope you guys give this a go. And before I end this video, I want to say a big thank you to each and every one of you. We've reached 400 subscribers, guys. Like, thank you so much. I'm ever so grateful. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.